day 3. Today's Kupari day, the Hotel Kupari, the largest of the 5 hotels, and in my view, and this is just my personal view, it's a brute of a building. It's standing there strong and proud, overlooking the bay. In fact, I'm going to turn you around and I'll show you where we're heading toward first. That's Kupari over there. And you see that bit right at the top there? That's where we're going to take some drone footage to get a view of the bay. So by the time we get up there, the sun would have risen and we should get some spectacular views. There she is, Kupari. And that is what I'm very interested in, to see if we can get up there. I think the view up there would be great over the bay anyway. But there's a swimming pool, the Olympic size, and up on the roof, that's where we're heading toward. What we're going to do is walk around the Pelegrin, all the way around, and then join in reception about there, and then come through. Slowly creeping in to the frame. This one's proper damaged, vandalised. You'll notice all the rooms blacked out from the phosphorus bombs from the war. There it is, there's that structure again. Now I did see a ladder yesterday. I guess not many people have been up there. And there's the ladder, which I saw from the roof of the Pelegrin yesterday. Oh, don't know if I can get access to the bottom of it, even if I could. This seemed quite high. So I've just been round the back. I mean, it's a shame it's all this barbarous stuff which cuts you, but I think it's a no-go for that one, which is a shame. That was the easiest route. I've considered climbing up there, but again, I don't think so. So I think what that leaves us to do is just explore Kupari. There we go, that's where we're going. See that bit there? We're going up there. We're going up there today to get some dronage. So the easiest route is to do this stairwell, I think. That's it. We'll get up there, and then we'll come down maybe in reception. Here we are. Right, that's the stairwell we'll take. I think that might be a bit easier. What do you think? I don't know, this always just seems a little less friendly, a little bit more aggressive. See what I mean by about the blackness, darkness of the phosphorus bombs on the ceiling. Down the corridors. Alright. So we're going up there. Here we are, made it. Okay, so that's a little bit of the drone footage at sunrise, which was always a good angle to have. So check out the other side of the roof. Okay, that'll be a no. Right, let's make our way down and see what's down in the basement. Yeah, that's reception. Let's go on that roof. Yeah, let's do that, shall we? So just come down the stairs, just to explore a corridor and maybe some rooms. It's just concrete city. Typical room maybe. This reinforced concrete. Not sure how far I'm going to go over to the edge. But look at this glass. Fused, melted, bended. From the heat, I suspect. From the phosphorus bombs. The bathroom. Yeah, just a solid wall of concrete. Which of these rooms are similar but just opposite. Bits of carpet here. Ah, we've come to the end. Ah, right, okay. So there's bits of carpet remaining here, and there's some reasonably intact rooms. It is a Sunday morning. I don't know if you can hear the bells. Typical tiles of the era. Door frames. Oh, we see because of the backlight. Here we go. We'll look down here. Ah. So this is constructed in multiple sections. Well, do you know what? I'm glad I sort of put that there, because that would be a I'm stuck, I'm trapped, get me out of here situation. Let's check out a room. Again, they're all very similar, much of a muchness. Right, so checked out a few of the rooms. They're all much of a muchness. So we're going to go down the stairs now to reception, swimming pool, dining area, kitchen area. Let's see what we can find down there. I'm going to go, like I said, on that roof in a minute. Why? Well, I don't know. Just because I can. So must be down here somewhere. See, all these little cheeky rooms. Ah, there is the. I've just taken a bit of video of the two buildings together, and that's it further down here. Right, let's do this. Let's get through. Again, how peaceful and quiet. So that's where we've just made away from, folks, from there. Another room, but this is from the first floor. And it looks as if you've got a different sort of terrace. A more substantial terrace, which is I'm assuming this is, look at that, that's a good angle, I like that. See what else we can find as we go from the first to the ground floor. Shaping up to be another beautiful day. Getting a bit too steep. Get me ball bearings. It'd be this way, wouldn't it? Again, eyes trying to adjust. Up and down. Right, stairwell, you see plenty of these now. This was the main drinking, dining, not necessarily dining, but certainly drinking area, I would think. And why would it not be? Here's another angle of the Olympic size swimming pool. Again, this is pretty iconic. You'll see this shot quite a bit on YouTube. So this was added to connect the two hotels. Right, so you know sometimes when you miss things in plain sight, well, I've missed this 3 times. Just before I'll do that, you see that? That's a joint. We saw a joint the other day, there's another joint. But look, how can you miss that in plain sight? So I think this brings us out over the swimming pool. But these are badly damaged rooms. Oh, look at the ceiling. Black, dark, with the phosphorus bonds. Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, swimming pool. That's the swimming pool. Toilets. It seems to be that blue is the sign of toilets, like white is the sign of kitchen. Now the swimming pool's just beyond there, and I do wonder how to, there must be another way down, because there must have been changing rooms for the swimming pool. But see, what was this? I don't know what this was. That seems to be a heavy duty chimney, or air conditioning even, yeah. Oh, I'm in camera shot. There's another Explorer. God. I think that's the end of this little tour of Kupari for 2020, the year of COVID. So I've spent the last hour being a bit of a tour guide, which I've absolutely loved, to some guys from London and Birmingham, another couple from London, 2 guys from Germany, and I've shared the nightclub and how to get on the roof. And I must admit, they didn't like the nightclub, and I don't know how I did it on my own, because it's dark and grim. So that's it for Kupari. See you later. Hopefully you're not knocked down and demolished when I come back in 2021. See ya.